Is technology a threat to jobs in the future? Will the value of work eventually reach close to zero? There's been increasing talk about AI taking over office jobs, replacing humans for just a few $dozen a month. But let's also talk about physical labor. Elon Musk and Tesla have showcased the latest version of the Optimus robot. It's not yet fully integrated with AI, but that's just a matter of time, a few years at most. The estimated cost? Around $20,000 to $30,000, roughly the price of a car. The mechanics are almost perfect, and we're just a few steps away from a final commercial product, perhaps within a decade, once the factories for mass production are ready. What does that mean? It means that anyone could lease a robot for around $400 a month. A robot that works non-stop, is smart, doesn't argue, doesn't slack off, and doesn't steal. Inevitably, all remaining physical labor, even highly specialized work, could disappear. But is there reason to fear? What is the purpose of a company? To produce goods and services. And who buys those goods and services? People. If the value of human labor drops to near zero, and as a result, wages drop to near zero, then who on earth is going to buy the goods and services being produced? If the value of work approaches zero, the global economy would follow suit, and the billions of the wealthy would become nothing more than toilet paper. Currency is a means of payment and a measure of the value of goods and services. If people's work loses value and they no longer earn money, then currency itself becomes useless, and its value would tend towards zero as well. Bill Gates has predicted that robots in factories will be taxed, and those taxes will go toward paying people. Other experts suggest that AI will only replace around 5% of current office jobs because it's limited and expensive due to its energy consumption. It's hard to believe, though, that the architects of this new industrial revolution would allow a dystopian, Resident Evil-like future, where the wealthy live in luxury with their robots and AIs in bunkers, while those replaced by robots scavenge in dumpsters until extinction. Work simply transforms. Certain jobs and specializations disappear, but new ones take their place. Innovation and technological advancement have never wiped out the need for human labor. And let's not forget, no matter how advanced, no robot created by Musk can improvise, dream, or put those dreams into practice. I can almost see the theater posters of 2080. Hamlet, Bot 82, I2X Ophelia, Robo Tex 238, Polonius, ChatGPT, OLX.